this video I'm going to show you how to paint this Christmas ornament using acrylic paints. This is a sped up version that walks you through all of the steps. However, if you'd like to watch the full-length tutorial in real time with detailed step-by-step instructions, head over to my Patreon, Rachel Froud Art, where you can access all of my full-length art tutorials. We'll begin with the background. To make it feel extra Christmassy, I thought it'd be fun to add some blurred Christmas lights in the background. To do this, we'll create a soft bokeh effect. Start by blending warm yellows, oranges and greens together to form the base background colour. I've created a video showing you the best ways to blend acrylic paints, so I'll add that to the description below. Then, using a smaller brush, add some lighter circles on top. It's helpful to do this while the paint is still slightly wet so that you can soften the edges and keep them from looking too sharp. Continue adding these light circles across the background until you're happy with the effect. It should start to resemble warm, out-of-focus festive lights. Once the background is dry, we can begin painting the Christmas tree branches. Use a mix of brown shades and place the branches wherever you like. It helps to know where your ornament will sit so that you can leave space for it, so keep that in mind while painting your branches. With the branches in place, we can paint the pine needles. Mix up some natural looking greens so that they don't appear too bright or artificial. You can tone down a vibrant green by adding a tiny bit of red, or you can mix a warm blue with some yellow. I list all of the paint colours that I use and how to mix them in the full-length tutorial on Patreon if you'd like to follow along with the exact palette. I've also created a free video showing you how to mix colours, including natural greens, so I'll add that to the description below. Using a thin brush, add the green paint in short strokes coming off of the branches. Start with your darkest green and gradually layer lighter shades on top to build depth and texture. Use a circular object to mark out where you want your ornament to be. Painting perfect circles freehand is pretty difficult, so using a jar or a small pot is really helpful. Mix a range of red shades of paint from dark to light. Begin by painting the shadowed side of the bauble with the darkest shade of red, then gradually transition to lighter reds as you move towards the brighter edges. It's helpful to use a reference photo to paint your shadows and highlights accurately. I always upload my reference photos to my full-length tutorials, but you can also photograph your own ornaments if you prefer to paint one of your own decorations. Now we can paint the gold cap at the top of the ornament. To make it look metallic and shiny, be sure to include dark shadows and bright highlights, using white paint to mimic the reflecting light. To finish the painting, we can add the string that attaches the ornament to the tree. I'm using a very thin brush to get a fine, delicate line. Use the same colours you used for the gold cap and loop the string over the top of the branch. Add highlights and shadows to give it depth and make it look three-dimensional. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you enjoy creating your own festive artwork. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and check out my Patreon if you'd like to watch the full-length tutorial. Thanks for watching!